Hello everyone, I hope you all are good. So today we are going to see what is the use of label tag inside native script. Okay, so here you can see there are multiple files given there. This is the app.css file where you have to provide the styling of the XML elements, whatever you have added. Inside app.css, you have to add all the styling. Okay, and inside the main page.xml, you have to write whatever elements you want to add. Like suppose here label tag is used to add the text. So today we are going to see the label tag. So first of all, let me delete it. Okay, so you can see I am adding the label tag. You can see this is a format like how we can write the label tag. You have to use these tags, okay? Then you have to write the label and then a forward slash you have to use. If you are going to miss this slash, then it will not give the output, the error will be there. Okay. So you have to always add this forward slash here because this is a this is not an empty tag. Okay, this contains some content. Okay, so if we want to display any text, then we have to use the label tag. Okay, so how we can write the text? For writing the text, you have to use the property here text, okay, equal to sign, and then inside the inverted commas you have to write any text. When you are going to write any text there, you will see that that text has to be appear on the mobile screen. Okay, so I'm going to write here like use of. At the end of the video I am going to provide you some tasks that you have to perform. Okay, use of label tag. Okay, so you can see now I'm going to press Ctrl S. Now what is going to happen when I'm going to press Ctrl S? You will see here. Okay, when I'm going to press Ctrl S, you can see it has been forked now, means it is saved. So when I'm going to scan this QR code, this output has to come on my mobile screen. So now I'm going to scan this QR code and I'll show you like what output is coming. Okay. Okay, so here you can see the output has came on my mobile screen. I have used the label tag and inside the label tag I have written use of label tag. You can see the text is appeared here. Okay, so this is the way with which you can add any text. If you want to add any text inside your app, you have to use the label tag. Okay, so now I'm going to add some other thing also. Okay, you can see. So now I'm going to add another label tag. Okay, ABEL. Okay, you have to use text property, and inside the text property, you have to write here the text you want to add. Like suppose another text I am here writing another text. When I'm going to press Ctrl S, it will fork. Can see here the text will be appear. Can see it is refreshing now. Okay. So you can see it is not giving any output. Can you think about why it is not giving the output? See, I have added the label tag, okay? I have added the text attribute also. I have given the value also. Which thing is missing because of which it is not giving me a output? This thing will happen a lot of time when you will write a lot of code. So it is very important to check like you have written the label tag correctly. In the starting of the video, I have told you that what is the right format of writing the label tag. You have to use the text, you have to write the label, okay, and then you have to use the forward slash at the end. Okay, if you are not going to use it, it is not going to give you any output. If you want to see the output, then you have to write this forward slash there. Okay, so now when I am going to press the Control S there, you can see it will give me the output. If you want to add multiple text on your mobile screen, okay, if you want to add multiple text on your mobile screen, you have to use the label tag. The right format of writing the label tag, inside the tags you have to write the word label, okay, in the capitalized form. At the end you have to use the forward slash, and it is very important. Okay, when you are not going to use it, it will not give you the output. As I have told you that in the previous part, it was not showing the output. Why? Because of this, the missing of a forward slash. Okay, so in this way you can add multiple text on your mobile screen. Okay, so that was the use of label tag. Thank you so much.